Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Hello Helper. So friend, today's tutorial I'm going to share with you guys how you can generate 3D images like this. So keep watching, we will learn something new. So friend, first thing first, we are going to open Gemini. This is Google tools which is offering great features to generate a great and high quality images by this tool. Okay. So here you can see that when we are logged in with this platform, then this will show like this. Okay, so here you can see that these type of images you can create, right? So here we want to create like this image. Okay, this is very trending images, very trending features is showing over here. So what you will do, simply click on that and then upload your image. Okay, so here we are going to upload that image, so that will look good. Okay, so here we are going to upload this image. Okay, and then simple press on this submit button. Okay, so this will generate a very realistic image into it. Okay, so keep watching other scaling images which is generated by this way. Okay, so friend, you can see that this is generated a 3D image into this way. Okay, this is very trending images. By this way you can easily generate like this 3D image. So friend, if you learn something new, then click on like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things. And if maybe you have any query, question, you can comment me below, so I will give you the answer. And if you are coming first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel because we are uploading this type of tutorials every day. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me.